Upgrade your home with this modern fluted dresser, designed to bring both style and functionality to your space. With elegant wave-like fluted panels and sleek gold handles, it adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Whether you need extra storage in your bedroom, a stylish TV stand, or an entryway organizer, this dresser does it all. Built to last, its sturdy construction supports up to 180 flams, ensuring durability for years to come. The 8 spacious drawers provide plenty of room to keep your clothes, accessories, or household essentials neatly organized. Plus, its anti-tipping device makes it a safe choice for families, giving you peace of mind. Worried about stability? The adjustable feet ensure it stays level, even on uneven floors. No more wobbling. Cleaning is effortless with its smooth, easy-to-wipe surface, saving you time and effort. Assembly is simple too, with clear instructions that help you set it up in about 2 hours. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or homes, this fluted dresser offers a space-saving solution without compromising on style. If you're looking for a chic, versatile, and practical storage option, this is the one for you. Transform your space today. Order now and elevate your home instantly. Find the product link in the description.